So this is a wrap up for the live market open for the week of, for Wednesday, October 5th. We have lots of news coming in for markets. Politics, Clinton is gaining against Trump, that's risk on. OPEC agrees to curb output, that's risk on. Deutsche Bank is in trouble, that's risk off. Hard Brexit. A big breakup between the UK and the EU, that's risk off. So these forces are moving markets in different directions. And recently, we had even a movement from in euro dollar thanks to taper talk. It seems a bit vague to me. Watch out for more headlines, more denials, especially in this space. Notable figures that we had so far towards the NFP, we had the ISM manufacturing PMI beating expectations with 51.5, keeping the dollar bid, especially against the pound and the yen. Mostly positive, but some are mediocre, especially growth, which remains weak. Another notable thing to talk about in this wrap is that UK data so far has been much better than expected, but the market ignores it on Brexit talk. Let's do a quick checkup of the charts in this wrap up. 112.20 is the current level in euro dollar, entrenched in range. No other way to describe it. 111.20 and 1 are the current levels in the range, but they're a bit far out. Pound dollar. Here we had a big movement. 127.37. 127 the new low, 127.90 resistance, and maybe we'll see 125 in the not so distant future. Dollar yen has been on the move to the upside. Watch out for 103.40 and 104.14. To the downside, 101 and 100. Dollar CAD for a new direction, 132.40, 132.80 are lines of resistance, support 131.40 and 130 to the downside. The oil story has helped the Canadian dollar, but not as much as you'd expect. Aussie dollar, looking for a new direction, is unable to push higher. 76.36 current level, 76 to the downside, followed by 75 to the upside, 76.60 and 40. Okay, Kiwi dollar lost momentum. Definitely 71.90 is the current level, under 72. Support there at 71.60, 70.50 to the upside, 73.60 and 74.40. So that's the roundup of currencies. Let's take another look at things I'm following. This is the who will win the presidency according to 538. So it's currently 75% for Clinton. It's more interesting, the momentum. They got closer to each other, now further away, higher chances for Clinton to win. And another thing I'm watching is the Fed CME, the chances for rate hikes. So in December, markets are now pricing in, according to bond market, 60% chance in December. The next Fed meeting is 6 days before the elections, so forget about any kind of move.